in the beautiful deserts of Las Vegas.
Yep, out here and right outside of Henderson.
So, what do you got, Zach?
Some American stuff. Some boom shakalaka.
So it's gonna be 4 sonic boom exploding targets, and we're gonna put it inside of this 1 liter bottle, or what is that, 2 liter?
2 liter bottle of Sprite.
Then we're gonna fill this with dune sand and shoot it from at that top of that table right there. What do you say that is? Maybe, I don't know,
125 yards.
something like that.
But it's good that we'll be higher than it,
Yeah.
so it'll blast the stuff up at us.
And then we got this nice backing. Do not replicate. One last mix. Boom! It's just a little time capsule. So we're gonna keep that front face open. We're gonna go up there, and we're aiming for right below the band, since that's kind of about as high as the 4 pounds goes on the 2 liter. Is that powder?
Yeah, it kind of looks like it.
So it doesn't look like all of it was blown. Oh, maybe it's just like smoke or something. Oh yeah, melted granules from it.
Underneath this lid here,
Damn, the lid is still intact.
it's warm.
Is it?
I'll tell you that. Look at, there's a piece of the bottle.
Oh yeah. Oh, that was fun.
You got to fuck up Mother Nature a little bit.
Yeah. All right. Well, tune in 2 weeks for the 5, 10, 20, and 45 pound.
45 pounds, bro. Let's do a little cleanup here too.
Yeah.
Leave no mess.
Leave no mess. All right. Packed it up into the back of the fucking K now.
Leave no mess.
Leave no mess. So, 2 weeks from now, large boom boom. Come and check in.
Alright, so tune in 2 weeks. We're ordering some good stuff, little fertilizer. We're going to be doing the 5, 10, 15, and 45 pound explosives. We're going to have to go way out to Mexico to do this where it's legal. Some sort of foreign territory. So please support. And
Are we allowed in Mexico?
I think we are.
Or maybe just me. I just might not be able to come back.
Me, they're going to be like, well, dude, go back to your country. But keep being American. So you got one explosion.